Oy'Nissh, millennial Jamaican name, food, and language. Jamáka Veeliksa, an Oy'Nissh language design. This character is represented in 3 classes. Firstly, the Jamáka or number 1 original, which is the standard way of representing Veeliksa in this constructed language. Secondly, is the single color, which is acquiring or milvrant color. It is a change of the original or standard Jamaican flag colors of yellow, green, and black to any single or monocolor. Thirdly is Simpelium. This class is represented in colors varying from a change of 1 or more of the standard Jamaican flag colors, or a complete change of all 3 colors to other multicolor.